Doc, for pro travelers, for the travel situation, besides applying sunscreen every 2 hours, which we are aware of, there's so many other types of sunscreens like sun powder, sun sprays and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Which is a oral sunblock. For instance, how that works in terms of like, if I'm traveling, do I have it right then or I have it a little before?
Okay. So the main thing is cover yourself up.
Right.
Everyone thinks they've applied sunscreen, eaten oral sunscreen, and they're fine, they can frolic in the sun. No, you will still get tan and you may still get pigmented.
Right.
So covering is number one.
Yes.
And to answer your question, your oral sunscreen needs to be started a couple of weeks or maybe a month before your travel. It takes a while for the antioxidants to start protecting you. And of course, like you said, your sunblock every 2 to 3 hours.
Right.
Mineral is good because
Right.
it really blocks the sun. And put thick white. When I go on holidays, I'm sitting there with white, my hat, my sunglasses, and I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care.
And some of the sunscreens do have a white cast.
Yeah.
That's okay as long as the SPF is high. And
Emulsified within 10 minutes, it settles.
it settles.
Settles into your...
Yeah.
I mean,
And there's a makeup setting spray which you showed. You have makeup, just spray your sunscreen makeup setting spray over every 2 hours.
Every 2 hours is the
Yes.
mantra, and if you
And
stay
cover up.
cover up. So that's your biggest anti-aging
Yes.
thing is the sunscreen.
Yeah.
Tonight, and